In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to save your project file in GIMP under a different name. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then select where it says Save As. Alternatively, you can tap the Shift, Control, and S key combination on your keyboard as well. And then you just would locate where you want to save the file to. So if you haven't picked up already, basically we're creating a new file. So you might just want to delete the old one, assuming you don't want to keep an archive of the old one, and just change the name of it, whatever you want at the top, and then just select Save. And then you will see that it has been saved down here. It'll tell you where the directory is on your computer. So it should be on our desktop here, right here. And you can rename files by right-clicking on them and then selecting rename directly on the file itself. But generally, I usually like trying to do it within the file itself. It's just a little bit, I think, less prone to having potential issues with compatibility. That's just my opinion, but you can right-click and rename the file directly if that's more of your thing. But like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.